Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Fix It Fridays. Hopefully you've got out on the bike this week and hopefully you haven't had anything go wrong, but if you have, then today's episode might help you out. I'm going to show you what to carry on your bike in case you get a flat tire or something goes wrong. So we'll just pull over and I'll show you what I carry in my saddlebag and also what I carry in my pockets. I'll show you how they all work and then send you on your way. This here is my mountain bike, and up here we've got a saddlebag. So let's pull this off and I'll show you what I carry. This is my saddlebag, just taken it off the bike, and I'll show you what I keep in it. So this is a mountain bike one, so we've got to remember that there's a mountain bike specific, but the same goes for all bikes. So in my saddlebag I've got some sunscreen, got CO2 canister. Now this is a big one, bigger size. So got one of them, got a valve head which goes on the CO2 canister, got a multi-tool which is really important, some tire levers here to help get the tire off the bike, and I got another CO2 canister. So we've got a saddlebag, a tube, some tire levers, multi-tool, 2 canisters, canister head, and some sunscreen. Now being a mountain bike, I also carry a couple of things in my pockets. I carry a pump, a little mini pump here. So this is great if you run out of CO2 canisters, because these are a one-use item. So I carry that as well, and then I also carry, this is a bit more of an advanced tool that you wouldn't normally always have with you, but this is a plug. So this actually goes straight into the tire, and it's got a bit of, it's like plugging in a car tire. So you do this for your mountain bike too. But this is not something you would normally carry on a more of a commuter style. But so I'll put that aside, and this is it. From here I can pretty much solve everything. So if I get a flat, put a new tube in. If something goes loose on my bike, like maybe my saddle slips, I can use that. Also, it's a good tip that you need these to get a lot of wheels off your bikes, off the through axle bikes. And if we were on a road bike, it'd be the exact same thing. It'd just be a smaller tube and probably a smaller CO2 canister. See, these are 2 different sizes. This will do an entire tube, and this is a bit more of a backup. And if you're in a full commuter setup, you probably wouldn't need any of this, maybe just a little tool, but a good commuter bike like the yellow one I showed you last week, that's set up purely for commuting and puncture-proof tires, and nothing ever really needs to be repaired. So that's it. Let's pack this back up, get back out on the road. So we're all fixed now, we're back up and running. Got ourselves out of any sticky situations. That's it for this week. We'll see you next week.